Don't you tell me that it wasn't meant to be. Call it quits, call it destiny. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Just because it won't come easily doesn't mean we shouldn't try. Why is your voice so sonically pleasing to me? I can't figure it out. Slight undertones of sadness while you tell me you're gonna leave. I cannot bear to see you smiling in that picture with your friends. I could go on about your smile, it's so grand, but you take your time, my love. Don't ever tell me that it just takes time to love. As long as I'm writing this song about your loveliness, is it too much to ask for a reply or a text or a way to tell you love me like before? Now you're away with nothing to say. My heart aches like never before. Filled with desire, you've inspired me to write another verse. I think we're alone now, you can tell me it was all just a game. I think we're alone now, but the feeling slightly changed. But you take your time, my love. Don't ever tell me that it just takes time to love. As long as I'm singing this song about my love for you, is it too much to ask for a reply or a text or a way to tell you love me like before? Boy, just let my hair down. Let's paint the whole town. Life is our playground. But you're not a kid no more, so you must open doors and make me feel like the lady I am. My mama raised me to be classy, not flashy. I'm happy to please you, though I can tell that's not what you're used to. And they say Chilvary is day. But let a real man pick up the slack and treat me with respect. Yeah, and you don't have to love me. You don't have to love me. Just 'cause you're a gentleman, don't leave. You ain't taking me to baby. Oh, baby, let me buy your meals. I see your head over heels. I feel like you deserve it. There's no pressure. We can do whatever makes you comfortable. I could float your boat. If you're cold, take my coat. I'll sing a music note from the song that I just wrote. Boy, just take my hand and let me be your it's not what you're used to. And they say Chivalry stay, but let a real man think of this like and treat me with respect. Yeah, and you don't have to love me. You don't have to love me. Just 'cause you're a gentleman don't mean you ain't taking me today, babe. Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too. And this is how it starts. Take your shoes off in the back of my bed. I sure look so good when it's just hanging off your back. She said use your hands in my spare time. We've got one thing in common, it's this tongue of mine. She said he's got a girlfriend anyway. He's got a girlfriend anyway. It's only minutes before I drop you off, and all we seem to do is talk about sex. He's got a girlfriend anyway. He's got a girlfriend anyway. I loved your friend when I saw his film. We've got one thing in common, is still looks cool. He's got a girlfriend anyway.